Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Harshit Kumar, and today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 121. Best time to buy and sell the stocks. This is one of the most popular interview questions, and it's a great problem for learning how a simple observation can lead to an effective solution. So let's get started. So problem understanding is that we are given an array called prices. Each element represents the stock price of a particular day. Our task is to find the maximum profit we can make. But there is a one important condition. We must buy first and then sell later. We cannot sell before buying. Let's look at an example. Example 1. So here the price array is 715364. If we buy at a price 1 and sell it at a price 6, the profit would be 6 minus 1, which would be 5. And this is the maximum profit possible. So the answer is 5. Now let's think about how to solve it. So our observation is shows that let's focus on one day. Suppose today stock price is 6. To get the maximum profit today, we what information do we need? So we will need only the smallest stock price that appears before today. So, because buying the minimum price give us the highest profit. So instead of checking every previous day again and again, we will simply keep the track of the minimum price seen so far. Then for every day, calculate the profit using the minimum price. Update the maximum profit if needed. Update the minimum price if we find a smaller value. Then the entire element. Let's uh, let's just code. So first, let's store the minimum price seen so far. So for that, we will make a variable called int min price, which will be, let's suppose it's equal to prices 0, the first element. Now let's create a variable that will store our answer. So int max profit would be equal to, for now, 0. Now we will traverse the array starting from index 1. So for int I equals to 0, sorry, 1, I less than prices dot size, then I plus plus. Now, if the current price is smaller than the minimum price, so we should update the minimum price. So if the prices of I is less than min price, we will update the min price, which will be equal to prices of I. Otherwise, we can calculate the profit. So else, in else condition, we will say that the profit would be equal to prices of I minus, prices of I minus min price. Now compare the profit with our current maximum profit. So now we will calculate. So max profit would be equal to max of max profit, comma profit. After the loop finishes, the max profit will contain the best possible answer. So we will simply return it. So after the loop, sorry, we will return it after the loop. Yes, return the max profit. Now let's just test the answer. Is it correct or not? Actually, here we can place the max profit inside the else condition, which we will do it. And here is one more problem that the yes that Here is a spelling mistake. We have written a wrong spelling of profit. Let's just test the answer. Just a second. Yes, so as you can see that the test cases are passed. Now let's submit the answer. So, so as you can see that it has passed all 212 out of 212 cases, and we have finally submitted our answer. So here the time complexity would be ON because we are traversing the array only once. With that, the space complexity would become O1 because we are using only a few variables. And that's it for this problem. The most common lesson from the question is that sometimes we don't need a complicated algorithm. A simple observation can help you solve the problem effectively. If you found the explanation video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.